Assalamualaikum students. Worksheet 3, 4th class, subject science. First bit, define measurement, prediction, inference. First definition here what given? Measurement. Measurement definition what given here? Using both standard and non-standard measured the dimensions of an object or event. Okay. Next definition here what given? Prediction. Prediction definition what given? Prediction means a future event based on pattern of evidence. Next definition what given? Inference. Inference definition: making an educated guess about an object or information in your worksheet. First bit what given, ma'am? First bit all are definitions given. Okay, read and write, learn all definitions. Okay, first definition what given here? Measurement. Okay, measurement means what? Using both standard and non-standard. Okay, standard and non-standard measures the dimensions of a object or event is known as what? Measurement. Okay, measurement means what? Using both standard and non-standard measures the dimensions of an object or event is known as measurement. Okay. Next, prediction. Predictions means what? Predictions means a future event based on pattern of evidence. Predictions means what, ma? A future event based on a pattern of evidence. Okay. Next, inference. Inference means what? Making an educated guess about an object or information is known as inference. Inference means what, ma? Making an educated guess about an object or information. In your worksheet, whatever definitions given now, read and write in your classwork also. Okay. So first bit, All are definitions. Now next, second bit. Next bit, what given, ma? Next bit, question answers, okay? Next bit, question answers. Answer the following questions. List out the measuring tools that are used for measurement. First question, what given, ma? List out the measuring. List out the measuring tools. List out the measuring tools that are used for measurement. Second bit, question answers, ma. Okay, second bit, question answers. Complete that question answers, ma. Second bit, what given? First question, list out the measuring tools that are used for measurement. Which tools we use to measure the measurement? Which tools we use for measuring? Right here, the tools names, okay? So this is your first question. Now next, second question. Find the skill used by the children. Next question, what given? Find the skills. Find the skills used by the children. The children to divide the marble among themselves and guess who. So this is your second question. Find the skill used by the children to divide the marbles. Here, which skill you identify that and write here, okay? Find the skills used by the children to divide the marbles among themselves and guess who. Correct skills, suitable skills, right here, okay? You find that which one is correct skill. Afterwards, right here, okay? Next, third question. Okay, next, fill the missing letters. Okay, now, next bit, third bit, fill the missing letters. Third bit, what given, ma? Fill the missing letters. Fill the missing letters. Fill the missing letters in your worksheet already given, ma. Total six words given. Complete that one, okay? Example, P dash, PR dash, CE dash, dash, given. Here, what you write? Process, 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 okay? Next word here, O dash, J dash dash TS. Here OBJECT, object. Okay, like this to complete the fill the missing letters, whatever given in your worksheet 3. Okay, now next bit, identify and write. Next bit what given, ma? Third bit, identify and write the correct skill. Okay, correct skill. Third bit, identify and write the correct skill, already given in your worksheet pictures, ma. So look at the picture and write here correct skill, whatever skills given, na, correct skill, here you write. Okay, now worksheet 3 is completed. Complete in your classwork also.